want to lower?
What if you lift it again?
Yeah, that's what I want to do. Go back up.
I don't know what this is.
Okay. Ahí nomás, 2 tons. Lo levantamos así.
You know what it is?
We're dead. We're dead.
Alright, here we go. You can let it go, you can let it go. Okay, now we're going to sit it here. And then bring it down first.
Woo! Woo! You ready, Luis?
No,
That's a good one.
it's a good one,
It's Venom.
like last time.
Again?
Another one?
Paint this today, yeah.
Another one today? Otro juguete. Sí, lo hubiera venido a bajar. Another toy. Another toy for you.
Very, very serious box. This is a 1-bedroom box.
Something went in my fucking hand.
In my mouth. Did you see that? Did you hear that? Did you just hear him? He said something went in my mouth. I want to know what it is.
I was trying to say hand.
Hey, no wonder this kid took all this writing on the box.
Oh my! The masterpiece that they built, we just messed it up in 5 seconds. This is sick. Very good packaging.
Ooh, very nice.
I'm Luis. I break everything.
We're all here at work while Luis is vacationing. So don't say Luis works so hard, give him more money, he already makes a lot of money. Give him vacations, he already takes vacations. Here we have a Performante. This is gonna be our second Venom Persong that we're doing. You can see the diffusers right here. This is a matte black car. The other one was matte gray. We are gonna be doing all the forged carbon in matte again, and then obviously painting the rest of the kit. Right now the car literally just got on the rack. We just got the kit like yesterday, and already we are clear coating them. Because we do have to clear coat them like 3 times because the forged carbon, all that carbon sucks up all the clear. So clearing them all right now, getting them ready. They're sanding the big hood over there, getting it ready for its second clear coat. But yeah, we're getting it all prepped up because this car has to be done pretty much start to finish within a week. So it's another big one in a week. And then we have 2 more Venom Persong wick kits arriving. So that's gonna make it 4 of these bad boys done in a matter of 2 months. So it's kind of crazy. But this is matte black. It's gonna have lime green interior. The interior seats are out of the car because they are at the upholstery shop getting lime green on them. So it's gonna look really, really cool when we're done. Again, it's gonna have a nice wheel setup. We're gonna do Novatec suspension to lower it. 23, 24-inch wheels. The proper setup again. So another Persong in the USA. We're gonna keep them rocking. If anybody has any Venom inquiries, contact us. We're going to be doing a G-Wagon also from them. They have a new Revolto kit, a URUS SC kit. I mean, literally, they are producing kits faster than almost anybody I know. So hit us up. We are literally their premium installer here in the USA. So contact us.
All right, guys, we have this G63 here with the carbon kit. So this car, I mean, nothing too crazy, but yes, we do have a accident here in the rear. Left rear bumper. We're going to have to take this out and replace it. That's one here. This is pretty much all this car is here for. So nothing crazy on this car. Of course, the paint color, we're going to have to match perfectly. This is a very hard color to match. So we're going to have to do that and make sure it's up and perfect again.
bumper's not working. Oh yeah. This one, tear down rear bumper, please. Older Ghost 2010 got into a rear end accident. We gotta take down the rear bumper. It has a walled kit on it, so we gotta, you know, obviously look into the aftermarket parts and see what parts we can still purchase. Insurance has to pay for them, and that's my job here, is to make sure insurance pays for the kit. Ready? Take it down. Okay, thank you. No problem. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
You're going on vacation? Like for real?
Vacation is like 2 weeks.
I'm not gonna see you for the rest of the week?
No, until next week. Don't talk to me. Give me. Do it, shit. Do it, shit. Okay. Don't talk to me.
You're talking to me, see?
Rest of the afternoon. Ciao! ¿Qué voy a hacer?
For pictures for the painter for the URUS, they can just use the shirt as
Is the picture? The picture is black tint. No, I didn't talk to you. He's mad because I go El Salvador. I cannot go Armenia. I don't come back.
Guys, we have a Rolls-Royce down here. So this car initially had aftermarket 24-inch wheels, lowered. So yeah, I mean, some customers have a hard time driving these cars with low-profile tires. The damage to be caused after impact, potholes and stuff like that. You know, 24s bend a little bit faster. So we're gonna go ahead and go down on the sides. We're gonna do 22s on this car. We're doing 22-inch customer choice G-Wagon wheels. We're putting those on right now. We have new Pirelli tires here. Daniel's taking care of it. Mount, balance, put it on the car. Check, make sure everything's okay, and yeah, should be looking good after we're done. As you guys know, this thing had 24-inch wheels on it. Customer was very uncomfortable with driving it. Very, very rough is what he was complaining about. And also there was a lot of touching and rubbing everywhere. So got rid of those. We put some beautiful 22-inch G-Wagonos with Rolls-Royce floating caps. It looks just as good. It looks just as good as before. And now the ride is much more smooth, and there's no touching anymore. Everything's gone. Nothing else to do. This is on regular mode, by the way. So it can, when it's slammed, it goes lower than this. But this is driving mode, which I think is beautiful. You guys see the gaps and everything was perfect. So good to go.